Everyone's talking about ChatGPT 5, but can it recreate the games that defined generations? And not just kind of working, but actually playable. All the prompts I'm using today, they are in description, linked to my Notion file so you can try them yourself. Welcome back to my channel, my name is Anton and I've been using AI for years to create images, videos, even tools that cut my work time in half. The best part? You don't need to be a tech person to use this. I believe AI can help you pick up new skills in just one day. If you want more real-life AI experiments like this, hit subscribe and like, it's free. And it helps you to get smarter content while helping me keeping making it. Part 1: Rubik's Cube. The Rubik's Cube was invented in 1974 by a Hungarian professor named Erno Rubik, originally as a teaching tool for 3D geometry. But when it hit toy stores in 1980, it became a worldwide craze. Fun fact, the world record for solving a standard cube is 3.13 seconds. I can't even pick it up that fast. I asked ChatGPT 5 to create a fully interactive 3D cube. You can rotate with your mouse and click solve to watch it assemble itself. Sounds simple, but it didn't work right away. It took me 3 tries. The good news? There is actually one magic button to auto-fix most bugs. It's like telling the cube, hey buddy, stop being broken. And there it goes, solving itself like it's got something to prove. Honestly, it's more satisfying than the final season of most Netflix shows. Part 2: Pong vs ChatGPT. Pong came out in 1972 and was one of the first video games ever. Just 2 paddles, 1 ball, and people lost their minds. No fancy graphics, no explosions, just pure competitive fun. Fun fact: the first Pong machine broke down after a few days because it got jammed with too many quarters. This time, it worked perfectly on the first try. ChatGPT coded it. I opened the file and boom, retro magic. I set it up so ChatGPT controls one paddle and I control the other. And get this, I made it talk. Every time it scores, it throws a random line at me like "nice try, human" or "was that your best shot?" ChatGPT is already making fun of us, and I'm not sure how to feel about that. Part 3: Pac-Man Maze Generator. Pac-Man launched in 1980 and became a pop culture icon overnight. It inspired a cartoon, a hit song, and even breakfast cereal. The gameplay: eat all the dots, avoid the ghosts, survive. Easy to explain, brutal to master. Fun fact: the original arcade Pac-Man has 256 levels, but level 256 is unbeatable due to a programming glitch, the infamous kill screen. This one was thought. I had to tweak the code multiple times. And even then it's not perfect. The maze changes every time you launch it, which is cool. But sometimes the ghosts act like they've had too much coffee. If you can improve the code, post it in the comments. Let's see who can make the ultimate Pac-Man. I couldn't resist asking ChatGPT for an impossible maze. And yeah, I think it worked. Or maybe I just suck at Pac-Man. Either way, I lasted less than 15 seconds. So, can ChatGPT 5 recreate classic games from scratch without you know how to code? Absolutely. But sometimes it's as easy as Pong, and sometimes it's as tricky as Pac-Man ghosts. If you like this, check out my other video where I share 5 real-life ways to use ChatGPT, from cooking to planning trips. And you might be surprised at what AI can do for you. Just click here.